So step one in breaking down the whole thing is clearly just your normal breakdown. So we're gonna pop this out, and it's pretty tough when they're brand new, but pop that out. You can use, that's why this is nice, there's this little polymer end tip. So that comes out, and don't forget you have to line those two notches up in the slide and the frame when you go to pop that out. And these SP-01 compacts, this isn't typical of all CZs, but it's a little hard to pop them off. The trigger bar spring underneath is tensioned really tight, pushing upwards, so that's giving that tension. On a normal SP-01, and then the ones I've used, I haven't had that resistance before. So there's taking off the slide, and then we can just go to the, take out the guide rod with the spring, and then you can pull out your barrel. And this has all the factory ooey gooey grease on it. And I like to have some little Tupperware laying around once I get started on these projects, and it's nice to just be able to set things in it that I don't have to worry are gonna roll away and get lost. So anyways, there we go. We have the slide, and set that in the background, and then now we just have the frame.